Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Wells Fargo bank to the Acorns app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and fund your Acorns app with your Wells Fargo bank. How do you actually go ahead and connect both apps together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Acorns app, then click on the upper right hand corner. Then go into settings. Next, click on linked accounts. Then go ahead and click on link another account. And then you're going to be able to find the Wells Fargo bank. So click on Wells Fargo. And next, it's going to prompt you to actually go ahead and either verify your account using your phone number, or it's actually going to go ahead and prompt you to log into Wells Fargo. So as you can see here, it's sending me a verification code. Just enter that code. And then next, it's going to prompt you to log into Wells Fargo. So once you log into your Wells Fargo bank, you can select which checkings or savings account to actually go ahead and connect with Acorns app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.